she's a little cranky this morning. Well, hello, boys and girls. This is Ted, and this is Ride with Ted. Hello, how are you doing? Oh boy, this is just a little get out because I had a chance to get out. So I'm out on the Sportster today, and he's running a little cranky this morning. Of course, it's been a few weeks since I've ridden him, so yeah, he's a little cranky this morning. I don't know why. How y'all doing? How's things? Oh my God, I hope you enjoyed that last video where Brother Tim and I went out to Ketchup Town. It was a nice ride. A lot of great roads out there. But today, this is just a little short thing to say hello, tell you what's going on, and tell you that the channel's doing good, and you know, hey, things are things. But first, as always, following tradition, I gotta go get gas. Yeah. Oh my God. Things have been so crazy around Camp Ted for the last few months that it's hard to get the head clear, you know? You know, aside from, you know, we're still trying to get settled in the new house. Anyway, we're, you know, still trying to get settled in the new house. I had my knee surgery in May, and you know, doing some remodeling around the house as well. Ooh, that's weird. Doing some remodeling around the house, and just so much going on that we're looking forward, you know, looking for that break where things just stop, you know. It's just been nuts around the house, and you know, I got as I said, you know, we're remodeling the house, and we're right in the midst of remodeling the kitchen, so that's all torn apart, and you know, doing tile, installing cabinets, and then we're waiting for cabinets to arrive, and you know, we're still waiting for the countertops. So the house is in a state of disarray because everything's all over the place, and there's nothing organized, and it's just complete chaos around the house, you know. And on top of all that, we had, oh, that's a nice old car. Look at that. But on top of all of that, we had decided to have a pool installed, an in-ground pool. So that's in process as well. Needless to say, things are freaking chaotic around the house. Absolutely chaotic. All right, let's do the routine. I didn't think I had like 3.2 gallons, but back at it. All right, good. There we go. We got full tank of gas, and now we're moving. I originally planned to do my usual route around the house, but changed my mind. I still can. Yeah, so getting back to what I was saying, things are just like nuts around the house. The pool install is still going on. The yard looks like we've been testing missiles back there. It's just, The dogs come in the house all muddy and stuff. It's just total, complete chaos everywhere. Just chaotic. You know, we're selling the farm upstate New York. And so we're trying to get things ready for, you know, well, it's on the market now. We're trying to just, you know, organize some things, get things going. We're packing up stuff to bring back here, and it's just so much to do, and we're kind of like, we're not stressed, but we're kind of stressed, you know. I don't know if that makes any sense. Oh fuck. You know, we're kind of now at wit's end, you know. It's like, when's it gonna stop, you know? But it is what it is, you know. That's how shit happens, you know. You gotta, things go on, you know. The knee is healing fine. It's getting there. It still bites me every now and then, but you know, the doctor told me it's going to be that way for a while, for, you know, 4 to 6 months after the surgery. It's going to be that way, but the healing process is going, and yeah, good restaurant. Yeah, it's just a lot to do, you know, a lot going on, you know. I'm hoping, well, we're both hoping that the farm upstate sells soon, before winter sets in. And when that happens, when the farm sells, guess what's gonna happen, boys and girls? This guy is retiring. That's right, I'm retiring from the workforce when the farm sells. It's been on the market now for a little over a month, and you know, it's one of these things where it's not just, you know, it's not just a lot of land, you know. It's not just 92 acres. It's also 92 acres and an off-grid house. The house is powered by solar in the summer months and generator in the winter months. We've owned the place for 21 years. It's been the house isn't finished. We've been remodeling it. Well, I should say refurbishing it or whatever. You know, it's not far from complete, but it's got a ways to go yet. You know, there are still things that have to be done, and it's just a lot of work. And now that we're in North Carolina, you know, it's a 14-hour drive up to the farm from here, and we just can't do it anymore. With gas prices being what they are, I'm looking at a $350 round trip just in fuel. So we've decided to put it on market. Not only that, you know, because there is so much work to do, and because I'm doing it by myself. Sure, the wife helps when she can, if there's things she can do, but there's a lot of things that I have to do by myself. And you know, it's just, when you're 5 hours away, it's one thing. Not too impatient, are you? But when you're 5 hours away, it's one thing, because you can get there, chill it, you got a couple days, like on a weekend, you have 2 days to work at it, and then you're home. It's not. But when you're 14 hours away, you got a long drive, then you got to get there, get settled, whatever. But anyway, it's just, and then all the work that needs to be done, I just can't do it anymore. It's just, I can't afford to do it anymore, and it's time, you know. Let me sell the place, pay off all my debts, and stop working, you know. Start doing things I like riding my motorcycle, for one, you know. I could do that. Ride my motorcycle, ride my bicycle, do more videos, you know, work on the podcast a little bit more, do more music. Dragon! Do more music. It just do stuff that I like to do, instead of doing stuff that I don't want to do, which is work a full-time gig. I'm done with that. I've been at it. I've been a draftsman for, let's see now, it's been 40 years. I've been a draftsman for 40 years. How about that? I got my first drafting job in 1982. How about that? And I'm done. So, like I said, there's a crap load of stuff going on. It's a miracle that I'm able to push out one video a week. Granted, I did skip a week last time, but it's just, as you can imagine, things are just crazy around the house, man, and I'm just trying to do my best to keep things going. I have internet access up at the farm. We call it the ranch. I have internet access. It's satellite internet, and the thing about satellite internet is it sucks. It's tremendously slow, horrifically slow. You know, if there's birds in the sky or the wind's blowing the wrong way, it's not going to work. So, but it enables me to get email. It enables me to do my job. But yeah, it's just like I said, the satellite internet is okay, but I can stream movies and stuff like that through Netflix and whatever. It's fine, but don't try to watch any YouTube videos. It's just impossible. It doesn't work. It just buffers the entire time you're trying to watch it. Definitely don't try to play games, and certainly don't try to do a podcast or upload a YouTube video. Yeah, I'm gonna make a left and we'll go back home. I got crap to do today. I would love to take Tuck here out for a really long ride, you know, but yeah, no, after I sell the ranch, retiring, plans are being made to go to Sturgis. Plans are being made to do other rides. So yeah, a lot of things in the works. Asked another Dollar John. One of these days, I'm gonna do a series, not a series. I'll do a video on all of the Dollar Generals that I pass in my area. It's insane how many Dollar Generals there are around here. Now, don't get me wrong. When I was single and living with my brother, you know, Dollar General was where you went for where you went for food. You know, that's where you did your shopping. And I can understand why people, but holy crap, they're like on every street corner around here. Turn with caution. I would if I could, but I can't, so I won't. I was going to do my usual 2-camera video, but as you can see, this one is dead. It died. Well, I guess I forgot to put it on the charger last night. Oh well, it is what it is. But anyway, boys and girls, thank you very much for watching. I know it's a short video, but this is all I had to do for now. I had nothing really planned. I just wanted to get out on a bike, get the Sportster out. It's been a few weeks. But anyway, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe down below. Hit the button. Subscribe. And I will see you in the next video in a couple weeks. So the channel will be kind of silent. But go back. I got bunch of videos. I got 39 other videos out there for you to watch, so get back there and get out there and watch them if you haven't seen them already, and tell me which one is your favorite. All right, again, thanks for watching. You guys are great. Thanks for sticking with me. I appreciate it. This is Ted, and this has been Ride with Ted. Comment below. I'd like to hear from you. If you have any questions, let me know. And that's it, boys and girls. And remember, you be safe out there. You be safe. Ride safe. All right. And of course, as always, peace out, jazz. I like metal, but if I had to listen to either one, I'd be listening to jazz, my first love. All right, be good.